welcome to the lesson. Check the description box below in your YouTube player for tabs and backing tracks on my website, information about the sound tools I'm using today, and links to other goodies via my Patreon page. Continuing. So our progression is really A minor, E, A minor, which is, this is a good opportunity to see if we can cross back and forth between minor and blues. First lick. What I'm doing here is I'm doing a blues lick that attaches to a minor lick, or a minor lick that then switches and attaches to a blues lick. So of course, if we're in A blues, we also have A minor. By the way, slow down gears are available on your YouTube player. Down here, up here, and back and forth on your arrows. Go 5 seconds back, 5 seconds forward. Spacebar will pause it. This is really useful for when you're sitting there with your guitar and being like, what the heck did he just say? What did he just do? Useful. So the other scale we want to know is, because this has an E in it, we want E harmonic minor also. And that's also available to us. So I'm going to probably lean pretty heavily on harmonic minor and blues. First lick, that's minor. That's harmonic minor. I'm crawling up from 4 to 5, G sharp to A, then a blues lick. Common, lovely blues lick. 5, mini pre-bend, release it. I was like, that's nice, but now, harmonic minor lick. Yeah. Why can't I play it now? Yeah, so we're crawling up. 6, 7, 4, 5, back down, and then same thing, blues lick attached to a speedy, spicy minor, harmonic minor lick. That's a blues lick. 5, 5, 8, 7, 5, 7. That's cool. And that's triplets. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 3, boom, boom. Whew, cool. That's the minor part. Now, so what I'm doing is I'm seeing two scales at the same time. I'm not merging them together, to one big scale. I'm doing a lick in one and then attaching it to the other. That works better for me. 6, 4, 7, 5, 4, 6, boom. Again, that's a week of practice right there. And then I'm grabbing the rhythmic motif of the opening lick and kind of moving a little bit. That's similar. That is, let's see if that's still a minor lick actually, technically. 7, 8, pre-bend on this, 5 to get, aiming for that F note, that, yeah, that's a minor lick. That's blues. And yeah, this is like definitely from my Mark Ribot skronk school. So 7, 5, and then 5, leap, 6, 7. So that's blues. And then like minor. There's a G sharp, that's the harmonic minor note. Walk down and leap, leap again. 8, 7, 5. Where's that lick? And I just follow the song because I'm going to kind of modulate it a little bit to go E7, A minor, E7, A minor. But before that I go A minor, G, A minor, F7. I love that voicing. 1. Skip that one. There's our 1 and our 2. That gives us an F7 chord. And now it's going to go E7, A minor, E7, A minor, E7, A minor, So it's a little bit out of order now. Now it's doing the E7 first, so I'm going. That's straight out. Yeah, a lot of these I'm stealing from Marc Ribot. No, I'm being inspired by Marc Ribot. So this is blues and minor together, because there's the blue note, but then there's the minor stuff. That's cool, man. So 6, 8, quick little, I call those fiddly-doos. Hammer on, pull off, and get that one. So you got open E, and then here comes an A minor. So I like, that's pure minor. So that's bend that little 7 up to get to an 8, which is a C. Yep, down 5, 8, 5. I'm like, let him off to this 3 and that 0. Those are blues notes. Here comes an E again. So this is, you could think of that as, that's harmonic minor, or just an E7 arpeggio. 7, 6, 4, 7, 4. Blues, blues. So 5, 7 goes up. So that, minor to blues that time. Stay on that B note, that 4. Hey, why not hit that open B also? So you got 4, 4, 4. Slide forward to this 7, hit that open E. Oh yeah, that's cool. And then this is a blues run that ends with a minor note. That's one of the coolest runs in the whole thing. So that is a little bend on there. Here we go. 8, 5, 8, 5, 8, 5, 8. Yep, and then it's going to go straight down. Yep. 8, 7, 5, 7, 6. Yeah, tag, end it with a minor note. Hey, isn't that cool? And I'm like, and then I let it hang on the E. So I'm like, if I'm still on an E, here's an F natural, that is part of the scale. So I hit an open E. They call that counterpoint in music school, by the way. When one note's going down, this went down, this went up. Counterpoint. And then we're back to grooving. There you go. It's very tempting when you learn several scales and are told by people to combine them to try and make one cohesive, mutated scale. That's a good exercise, but it's very hard to actually make anything sound good using that. Follow my advice with this. Whatever lick you're doing, see if you can dovetail it over into the other scale, and then vice versa. If you started with minor, go to blues. And again, this is one of the things I talk about with my students, that the ability to see more than one thing on your instrument at a time. Often I use this technique if I'm teaching chord-based playing, where it's like, hey, see the chords, see the pentatonic scales that go with it. In this scenario, to be fair, I'm seeing 3 things. I'm seeing the chords, the A minor and the E, and then I'm also seeing the blues scale and the minor scale, and kind of using that to kind of shape these lines. It's not easy. I hope I made it look easy. My main advice is to practice it slowly and deliberately, really listening and savoring each note that you play when you play it, and hopefully it will inspire you to do some other interesting crossover things of your own. Good luck.